Why don't you cry for me, baby? Help me make it through. Why don't you see me lately? I'm sad that I'm true. I looked up your page, in your portrait it was mine. Knew it was the only one of its kind. I put out my money on the run, didn't mean to hurt anyone, but I gotta sing it, baby, tell it for fun. Might as well defend the whole body. I'm in love with someone. 7 years of rubies and pearls at her best. She's a demon lover, she's a demon lover like all the rest. Or else she's just spilling out her way in the many shades of contentment she brings. But I gotta hide it, baby, all because of you. And hope you're proud now, honey. That's all I can need. Let the darkness, darling, come and fill my mind. And I can see the likeness, baby. Your pain had to find it. Is it any wonder how we come to fall in not love when sympathy's so small? I never meant for tears to come. It didn't mean to hurt anyone. Why don't you call me sugar like I used to do? I know that your kisses up your poison. I'm counting on you. And I know that your head's half crazy and you walk crawling too. Let's make some oopsie-daisy. Count on you. Count on you. Count